New just listed home, 4440 Huntington Street Northeast, St. Petersburg, Florida by Matt Kallenbach from the Military Veteran Team. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath waterfront pool home on a spacious quarter-acre lot in Shore Acres offers incredible investment potential. This property features a newer seawall, composite dock, boat lift, a brand new patio deck, resurfaced pool, heated spa, and covered seating area. The home experienced flooding during Hurricane Helene. However, remediation has been completed and it's now ready to renovate, refresh, or rebuild. Located minutes from downtown St. Pete, Gulf Beaches, and Tampa Airport. Don't miss this chance.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.